This is not a fun mess to be in. Maria, I'm gonna take the flag down. Can you check the Weather Channel radar and see if you can figure out which way that cell's moving?
All right. Got a lot of lighting, so you
Yeah. All right. Hi, I'm Ron.
And I'm Marie.
10 years ago, we bought a broken down trawler for $4,000.
And nothing worked, not even the kitchen sink.
After a lot of hard work and help from our friends and family, we moved aboard Elixir full time. And now we are cruising this old boat while the work and fun continues.
So subscribe and give us a like and come along with us cruising this old boat. So I am fixing some pumpkin bread, but it's already warm in here, so to keep from having to bake a whole loaf of bread, of pumpkin bread for 50 minutes, I'm going to put it in a sheet cake pan, and hopefully it'll cook in like 20, maybe 30 minutes. But I got the recipe from Chocolate Covered Katie, and she actually says you can put chocolate chips in the pumpkin bread or on top of it or whatever. I'm gonna ask Ron his opinion, what he thinks I should do on this. Put you on the spot. Would you like chocolate chips in the pumpkin bread? No? Okay. What about on top of it? No? Alright, so no chocolate chips on the pumpkin bread. I should have had a third person here to go on my side. Well, it looks like they'll probably poof up. Working on something.
Yep.
It's upside down. It's a little bit not even, but it's done.
So we're trying to eat with this nasty storm out here. Yeah. Oh, mackerel. And Marie's phone just lit up. Said there's a tornado warning. So we're out here looking to see if we can see the tornado. I don't know what we would do if there is one. We're at anchor. It'd be hard to run from it. Well, we just had a gust hit us. It knocked me off my feet.
Look at the waves out there.
Yeah, the waves are horrendous.
You think we're being waked?
You think we're underway? Storm has just started to hit. Yeah. If you look out these windows here, that's a window. And it looks like it's nighttime out there. But we're still over an hour away from sunset. It just instantly turned it dark. If you look on the other side, you can still see that's, you can see the daylight.
Whistling through our door. So the storm's actually getting worse, but Ron brought his camera in before it went overboard.
The lightning is incessant, just flash after flash after flash.
All of this is still waiting to be remodeled. It's an old boat. I mean, we've got so many projects and it's difficult for the two of us to get to all of them. Plus, we enjoy traveling. So, you know, a lot of times we don't just sit still and work on the boat. We travel and then try to work in a project here and there, but sometimes things get pushed to the head of the line, and when you discover situations like this.
Well, the storm seems to have passed. Winds have died down. It's quit raining, at least for the time being, and we don't seem to have suffered any damage. We haven't checked up on the flybridge. It got really windy for a while. We could hear the flybridge rattling up a storm, but it's dark out there and we haven't gone up to check to see if everything's okay up there. We're hoping it is, but at least for the moment it seems like we got through everything okay.
I got so used to that warm weather over in the Bahamas. Get back here in South Florida and I'm cold. Anyway, the water's turned brown. It's like overnight, you know, because one morning we were in the Bahamas where the water was beautiful blue and clear, and the next morning we were in the ICW. So it's a huge difference, but it's still good to be back. Good to be back in Florida.
I thought you were going to talk to him.
I already said it. I told you what to tell them. We have our life vests on and we're getting ready to go through a lock. What is it? Port St. Lucie South or St. Lucie South lock?
Yeah, something like that.
Something like that. It's the campground. We're getting ready to go tie up at one of the docks at the campground for a few nights. Right?
Yep.
Okay. We got up this morning. The water was nice and calm. Definitely a big difference from last night. We went and pumped out. We had to wait for the railroad bridge, and then we pumped out at one of the marinas, and now we're waiting at the lock to go through, along with a couple other little boats, a trawler and another boat. It's cool seeing all the campers over there. That looks like fun.
It's a nice little dock right there.
Yeah, it is. I want to go camping.
We do every day.
It's different. Can't build a campfire on our boat.
Yeah. Can in the grill.
Well, I suppose. I'm happy with our little boat.
Good.
Yeah, except for when it goes less than 5 knots. I think the bottom needs to be cleaned.
It's actually pretty good.
I still think it's affecting us.
Maybe.
We shall see.
Yeah.
And there you have it.
Yeah. Right.
St. Lucie Lock, this is the eastbound Sportfish. Over. Yes, we can slide in with this tug. Yeah, I'm the second boat behind the tug. Roger that, sir.
St. Lucie Lock, this is Power Cat, right behind that sports station. So making use of third boat, sir. Roger that. Starboard side time.
That blue one feels pretty short. I'm nervous about it. Okay, I'm ready.
All right. Getting ready to turn in.
I want to make it as short as possible.
Okay. And then if you'd like, you can go up there and toss that puzzle over to me.
Just,
You want to go back with
make
it?
it shorter.
Get a bow over.